Hello, welcome to PI International Education IELTS e-learning tips and tricks. Today we're going to be talking about IELTS Writing Test 2 structure. In particular, we're going to be covering what you need to include in your introduction. Okay, now in your introduction, the first thing you must do is paraphrase the question that they give you in the exam script. All right? What does paraphrase mean? A lot of us know, a lot of us don't know. So let me just kind of break that down for you as well. Well, paraphrasing is putting something into your own words. That shows that you have a command over the language and that you actually understand the topic which is going to be discussed in your essay. Very simple, very easy. Now remember, you cannot paraphrase nouns. Keep that in mind, okay? If it's a noun, you should leave it as it is, okay? Next, you must give a thesis statement or basically state your opinion. So either you're going to put your viewpoint on the topic. A lot of the questions ask, to what extent do you agree or disagree? Some of the essays require you to talk about the advantages and disadvantages. So thesis or basically opinion, which you are going to be talking about. Okay? Next, the points you're going to use in the body of your exam, so for body 1 and body 2, must be included in your introduction. Now, this sets a clear tone and direction for the rest of your essay. So you'll make a sentence like this. Firstly, this essay will discuss, and then following that sentence, you're going to have another sentence saying, secondly, this essay will discuss, and then you put the points for body 1 and body 2 as the finishers for these sentences. Now, if you can include all of these elements in your introduction, you will have a band 7, 8, or 9 level introduction. Now, that's all for today, and I hope this gave you a little bit of information on how to start your writing test 2. And for this video and access to hundreds of other learning resources, please visit www.mypibd.com to access our e-learning platform. Thank you so much, and I hope this video helps you do well on your writing test 2.